TATE CNC stud welding machine, redefining precision and productivity. Step into the future of manufacturing with the TATE CNC stud welding machine, the ultimate solution for industries like automotive parts, sheet metal enclosures, elevator panels, and electrical housing. Designed with cutting-edge technology, TATE machines deliver unmatched precision, efficiency, and reliability, tailored to meet the high standards of modern production. What makes the TATE CNC stud welding machine truly exceptional? At its core is an integrated laser system that automatically removes zinc layers from metal surfaces before welding. This advanced feature ensures a cleaner and stronger bond, eliminating the need for pretreatment processes and saving your team valuable time and resources. Whether you're working with coated or untreated materials, TATE guarantees a flawless finish every time. Efficiency is at the heart of TATE's design. Our machine comes equipped with dual welding stations, enabling uninterrupted operation. While one station handles the welding, the other prepares for the next cycle. This innovative system allows for non-stop production, significantly increasing output while reducing downtime. No more waiting, no more delays, just seamless performance from start to finish. Beyond its productivity features, the TATE CNC stud welding machine is engineered for versatility and user-friendliness. It accommodates a variety of stud sizes and materials, offering precise control to meet diverse production needs. With intuitive programming and robust construction, TATE ensures both ease of use and long-term reliability, making it the perfect partner for demanding manufacturing environments. Choosing TATE means choosing quality, innovation, and results. By reducing material waste, minimizing manual labor, and ensuring consistent quality, this machine not only boosts your bottom line, but also gives you a competitive edge in the marketplace. Don't wait to transform your production process. Experience the TATE difference today. Contact us at info@oktate.com to learn more. Let's build a future of efficiency, precision, and excellence together. TATE, redefining the standards of stud welding technology.